is our cat going out on the roof. This is Smokey. Say hi, Smokey. Hello. No, not too close. Bye. Yeah. Oh, you keep spoiling. No, come on, let me get on. Say hi, Smokey. Come on, Smoke. Come on, be a sport. She's not going to come back in. Smokey. No. Come on. Come on, Smokey. Come, Smokey. Come on. Smokey, you can't stay out there forever. Record a minute, Luke. Out that window. Don't work, still works. Come on. Smokey! Come on, darling. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on, Smokey. Come on. Got it. And that's my sister being cool to walk out. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. I said no. Oh, no. Smokey, get your ass off your little. Okay. And that's our cat leaving the building. Yeah, she's leaving. Smokey, what the hell are you doing? Shut your window, Luke. Sorry. I'll end up putting your shit down in a minute. Come on, Smokey. She's stuck. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lily. You come. Come on, Smokey. Come on, Mum. Smokey. Come on, you can't stay on the roof forever. Get down. Good girl. Don't worry, that did not hurt my cat at the end. She was perfectly fine. It doesn't hurt at all. Okay, bye.